Hey guys, welcome back. All right, so today I'm basically just going to be showing you guys how you can set up website blocking on Intune. So let's get started here. What you want to do is you want to open up your web browser, right? Go to the Intune admin center here. Once there, you want to go over to devices. And from there, you want to find the configuration settings here. So as you can see, we already currently have one set up. But we're just going to create a new one here. So why not? Hit create and new policy here. Select the platform you want to be deploying this policy on. For me, I'm just going to do Windows 10 or above. And for the profile type, you want to select settings catalog. Hit create. And let's give it a name here. We'll say web filtering. You can give it a description if you want. If not, that's fine too. And for these settings here, you want to hit add settings and you want to find block list. Here you'll see quite a few options pop up, right? But for the sake of this tutorial, we want to deploy this policy on Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. So we want to select Chrome first. And what you're going to do is you're going to check this one right here. Block access to list of URLs. Go ahead and hit that. Once you see this thing pop up, you're good there. And then select Microsoft Edge and the same one here. Blocks access to list of URLs. Once you got both, just hit close on this and enable both of them. And this is basically where you're going to add like all the websites. So for example, let's say you want to block Facebook or something, right? .com. Cool. You just add it right there and just do the same for both. I don't know, you could do like YouTube or just really anything you don't want like your employees to be going on while they're working. Just add them right here and yeah, hit the next after that. For the scope, you can leave this as the default, that's fine. Let's hit next here. And here we're basically going to be like configuring which groups or devices we want to deploy this policy on. So for the included groups, go ahead and find the one you want. For me, that's just going to be this one right here, the Intune test device. And you can exclude some groups as well. Like let's say, I don't know, like your IT department or like some executive level VPs, you don't want their devices to be affected. You can add them right here. But again, if this is like, company-wide thing, you can just do like all devices right here. But I would definitely like test it out in like a test environment before deploying it on production. I think that's the safest way of going about it. And right here, all you want to do is review everything, make sure everything looks correct and whatnot. And once it does, you're just gonna hit create. Cool. So here it's gonna take a second for the policy to actually update. So do refresh, there it is. Cool. Once you see it here, all you want to do is go over like to the device or whatever that you want to test this out on and hit sync. So for us, go to devices, Windows. I'm just gonna find mine here. And yep, right here, you want to hit sync. Yes. And yeah, after like, I want to say like 10-15 minutes, it should be live here. And yeah, that's basically how you set up web filtering in Intune. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments. And other than that, I will catch you on the next one.